Hello and welcome. Today is a new format for our video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to a shopping mall in Bangkok. I'm going to make a comparison between two popular coffee brands. One is probably the one that everybody knows, Starbucks, and I'm going to compare it with, guess what, Dunkin Donuts. I've never tried coffee from Dunkin Donuts, so it'll be quite interesting to find out how they two compare. First up, I'm here at Dunkin Donuts. So the prices are ridiculously low. I am happy that they're so affordable. So really comparing Dunkin Donuts versus Starbucks, number one, the price difference. And the appeal to the mass, they also have large cups, very, very large cups here. But to make it simpler, I am going to compare their hot latte. So I'm going to buy a hot latte from here, and then I'm going to buy a similar one from Starbucks. Okay, let's go through the process. สวัสดีค่ะอยากได้ลาเต้ร้อนค่ะลาเต้ร้อนนะคะค่ะแก้วนึงมีขนาดอะไรบ้างคะมีขนาดเดียวเลยค่ะ Okay, so let's have a look at how they prepare my hot latte. Let's take a look at their menu. Aside from donuts, of course, they have the classics: coffee, Americano, cappuccino, mocha, latte, espresso, and they also have popping tea. Very colorful looking popping boba drinks. And then they also have the regular beverages, orange juice, Thai milk tea, and also iced lemon tea. I ordered a hot latte which comes in about 12 ounces cup. I did ask the lady how many shots of espresso do they use for this, and she said she didn't know because everything is programmed. The funny part is that they took a really long time to steam the milk, and then they ended up with topping it up with cold milk foam. This is Starbucks. Ambience is very different, of course, the prices as well. They have a lot of delicious pastries. In fact, I do like their croissants, and they do sell them frozen as well, which is good, so you can just take them home. But the purpose of my visit here today is to order a hot latte, similar to what I ordered from Dunkin Donuts. สวัสดีค่ะขอลาเต้ร้อนค่ะเป็นขนาดนี้นะคะ So I ordered a hot latte, tall, which is about 12 ounces, and the price is 130 baht, compared to Dunkin Donuts 55. So this is about $4 US, more than double the price. The experience is so different, you know, the ambience is different, so it's really just down to the taste. So for those that are wondering whether it is okay to have your coffee at Dunkin Donuts instead of paying more than 2 times the price in Starbucks, that's what we're doing today. So the latte here is the same as the latte in Dunkin Donuts, 2 shots for the same size, okay? I now have my Starbucks latte here, and I also have my Dunkin Donuts latte here. I am going to do a blind taste test. So my assistant is going to pour these 2 drinks into an independent cups so that I won't know which is which. and then I'm going to do the taste test. But overall, so with Starbucks, they use a double shot of espresso and then the steamed milk. And Dunkin' Donuts did it quite differently, not something I have seen ever before, which is also a double shot of espresso, steamed milk, but they top it up with cold milk foam. So over to my assistant to do the switching, whatever, and then we'll start with our taste test.เป็นเพลนไม่มีเหรอคะมีบราวนี่แบบไม่มีกาแฟมีไหมคะ
มีค่ะมีแต่มัทฉะแบบผสมกาแฟ
ได้ช็อกโกแลตกาแฟขอบคุณค่ะ So are you sure you have swapped this? So this is not really Dunkin' Donuts and this is not Starbucks. Okay, it's moment of truth. My videographer has already poured the drinks in here. I'll start with this. The coffee is very nutty, also smoky. It's kind of smooth. I like the taste of this one, but let me check this other one. This I cannot taste the coffee at all. I feel like I'm drinking milk. It's so milky. It's quite hot as well, and I did recall that Dunkin' Donuts put a cold foam on top, but this is hot and that is hot, so it doesn't seem that the cold foam affected the temperature of the drink itself. But I would say that this one is like drinking milk. This is like drinking coffee, at least I would say that. So I would go with this. I'm not sure what this is. Is it reveal time? Which one is Starbucks?
Starbucks is the light pink.
This is Starbucks?
That's Starbucks.
Oh my god, no kidding.
This is Dunkin' Donuts.
No kidding, are you serious? This is Dunkin' Donuts. This is the less than $2 coffee, and I could taste the coffee and I love it. And this is Starbucks, $4? Wow. I suppose that if you're looking for an ambience just like what I have right here in front of me or around me, then by all means come to Starbucks if you are willing to pay the big bucks. But hands down, the coffee of Dunkin' Donuts tasted a lot better. What can I say?
Okay. So this is Dunkin' Donuts. I definitely do smell more coffee. Just by the color difference, I don't know if you can see this. The color difference is very clear. Starbucks is very milky, like too milky. Yeah. So I'll try the Starbucks one. Basically, I'm drinking hot milk. Hot milk with the smell of coffee, with a coffee aroma. But this, I can really taste the coffee, and it actually is something that I prefer because I'm very used to this kind of coffee. So if it were me, I would definitely go to Mr. Donuts or Dunkin' Donuts than coming to Starbucks and spending way more money over a cup of hot milk.
So my recommendation, if you're just looking for a quick cup of coffee and save money, go to Dunkin' Donuts. But if you're looking for a place to work, then I suppose that's the reason why people go to Starbucks. But now I am not surprised why people are going away from Starbucks and looking at options just like Dunkin' Donuts. If you found anything different from the result that I came up with today, do let us know in the comment below. I am surprised but pleasantly delighted. So for all of those coffee lovers out there and wanting to save money, you know what to do. That's all I would like to share with you today. I hope that you enjoyed this new format as much as I enjoyed making this video clip. I'll see you again for more of these Chao and Tour videos. In the meantime, stay tuned, click that subscribe button, like, share, and give us some feedback. I'll see you again next time. Ciao for now.